Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your Clermont home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. But to get the best results from your investment, preparation is key. Whether you've scheduled your installation with a professional contractor or are planning it yourself, taking the right steps before the work begins will ensure the process goes smoothly and your new windows perform at their best. Confirm details with your installer before anything else. Have a detailed conversation with your window installation company. Confirm the exact date and time of the installation, the expected duration of the work, and any special requirements they may have. Professional installers may also advise you on specific preparation steps based on your home's layout, the number of windows being replaced, and the weather conditions in Clermont. Tip: ask about how they handle cleanup, waste disposal, and old window removal so you know what to expect. Clear the work area inside and out. Installers will need easy access to each window, both from inside your home and the exterior. Before they arrive, move furniture at least 3 feet away from the window area. Take down curtains, blinds, or other window treatments. Remove any decorative items or fragile belongings from nearby shelves. Trim shrubs, trees, or outdoor plants that may block access. This not only speeds up the process but also minimizes the risk of damage to your belongings. Protect floors and surrounding surfaces. Even with the most careful team, window installation can be a dusty process. Protect your floors by laying down drop cloths, plastic sheeting, or old blankets in the work areas. If you have rugs or carpeting, consider rolling them up to avoid debris buildup. For homes in Clermont's humid climate, moisture can also be a factor during installation. Keeping surfaces covered helps prevent water tracking, especially if outdoor conditions are damp. Ensure easy access to your home. If installers need to move large windows through your home, make sure pathways are clear. Move obstacles from hallways, remove delicate wall decor, and ensure doors can open fully without obstruction. If you live in a gated community or apartment complex, arrange for access permissions in advance. Secure pets and children. Window installation involves tools, heavy materials, and sometimes open wall spaces, not the safest environment for pets or kids. Keep them in a separate room or arrange for them to be out of the house during the installation. This helps maintain safety and allows the installation team to work more efficiently. Plan for noise and disruption. Window replacement is a noisy process, and there may be some drafts while old windows are being removed. If you work from home, consider relocating your workspace for the day. If noise-sensitive household members are present, plan accordingly. Inspect and review the work. Once the installation is complete, walk through each room with your installer to inspect the new windows. Look for proper sealing, smooth operation, and alignment. Ask questions about maintenance, cleaning, and warranty coverage. Taking a few extra minutes now can save headaches later. Final thought: preparing your Clermont home for window installation doesn't have to be stressful. By clearing spaces, protecting surfaces, ensuring easy access, and confirming details with your contractor, You can help the process go smoothly from start to finish. In return, you'll enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows that reduce drafts, lower utility bills, and boost your home's overall comfort.